Bredgade is a very, very unique place in many ways. You meet people there, you meet very interesting people who really like art and music also, which is very inspiring. The area and the street Bredgade is very special because it has a history that this is the old piano street where there were, 15 different piano manufacturers, and today you will see a lot of antique stores, and you will see modern art, you will see galleries and things like that. So it's really a unique part of Copenhagen, and also the oldest part of Copenhagen. Many of the people who owns the shop in Bredgade and around Bredgade, of course, you get to meet in between, and some of them become some friends also. And when we have concerts in our house, we also invite them, so we very often see them showing up for the different arrangement we do. Just across the Marmorchurch, you have the Amalienborg, the castle of Denmark, where we have been lucky to be invited of the Prince of Denmark for a glass of wine once he bought a grand piano from us. So actually the whole company have been up there. He invited us because he was very happy for this instrument, and he just wanted to show us that he was very happy for it. And then he have been visiting us in the store before, and he made us a small speech for us, and it was a very charming experience. We have the opera just behind the castle, the Royal Opera, where we also have been delivering grand piano for this place. Bredgade is of course a royal street, you can say so, because it's the street that goes from Kongens Nytorv down to the castle. It's actually a law in this street that we have to put flags up for every birthday for the royal family. Nyhavn was the old place to visit if you wanted to go on restaurants and bars in former days, and it was also called the Red Light District before. Today it's more up-to-date, modern place to go with nice restaurants, and you have the channel down there with the boats. You can see Copenhagen from the seaside. Othello-palæet is a beautiful building, and in there we had a concert. It was very exciting once with 14 grand pianos and 14 jazz pianists playing at one time. When I started in '79 in the old company, there was only this company, and then there was one more, Andreas Christensen, down the street, and that was it, out of 15 manufacturers through the time. We see that our house is a house that attracts musicians and people who like to come. And we see that the house is full of music, and we do of course have a recording studio. We do have a place where we rebuild pianos, and this is a house where people like to come. And we even have, I remember once we had Vladimir Ashkenazy coming, not for playing piano, but for having a cup of coffee, because he was going from one country to another, and he had to land in Copenhagen, had a few hours there, and the only place he knew was our store in Bredgade. So he went down there, knocked on the door and said, "Okay, is it okay that I come and just have a cup of coffee?" And he didn't touch a piano at all, and it was one of the biggest pianists in the world, just coming for hanging out. And that's what it is. So you see that the people like the house, and there's a special atmosphere here. And we enjoy making people feel welcome.